Oh, Bohdi, walking next to me. Taking the nature trail. Nature trail, nature trail. Another doggy. Who's this guy? Who's this guy, buddy? Short and sweet. Bohdi! Good boy! Good Bohdi! Yay! Let's see, y'all want to go this way? I think this is actually a faster way to get back. Kind of, sort of, maybe. Again? What's he got on me? I brought 2 bags, buddy. You're gonna have to make me improvise. Oh, man. There ain't no trash out here. There's a trash can up there. There you go, I got it in some leaves. That's called all natural poop bag. Leaves. Making compost. Good thing I hope, it's like he knew there was a trash can up here, so he went ahead and laid one. He's like, you can throw it away. Not my fault you didn't come with an extra bag in case I did double duties. And here's a bag. Someone couldn't quite get in the back can. Oh, hey, a few more buddies. Look at this. Who are these guys, Bohdi and Squiggle? What's up, buddy? Hello.
Come on, guys. Let's play.
All right, now, don't get too ahead of me. Good boys. Good boys. I can't go too fast because it's slippery. I ain't got no boots on. You know, it's like dangerous. Now, where am I? I am kind of sort of lost, fellas. And I know the general direction I'm going in. Oh, now I see. There's a meadow over there. This one is really getting it now. Good old Bohdi. Yeah, you're getting it now, huh? Woo! Thank you for waiting. Thank you. Ooh. I hate to admit it, guys, my shoes is getting soggy. I do have another doggy to go walk, I'm sorry. I'd bring him here with y'all, but he ain't as trustworthy as y'all. Y'all listen to me, he's smart. Whoa. Good boy, Bohdi. Good boy. Good boy, Bohdi. Oh, shoot. This is tough to walk in. Well, y'all just seem to be having an easy time. Lucky y'all. Yeah. Uh-oh. My battery's dying, guys. And we get them back close to the street. I want to put y'all back on the leashes. I got to get y'all back anyway. That was fun. We had like a nature hike. Whew, my shoes are soggy. That's what I get for not wearing my boots. Alright. Come here. Treat time. Treat time. Yeah, treat time. That's right. No, oh no. Or dirt on the ground. Yeah. That's right. Treat time. Alright. Hold on. Oh. Shit. Good boy. Good boys. There you go. Oh, sit. Gotta stay sitting. You too. Good boy. Let's get the leashes.